Ordered this Tach. It came in today, so I'll try it out and see if it's going to work with the MSD. I hope so. I'll put a link in the description for it. In case you want it, it has different colored faces and all that kind of stuff. And I also got the gauges for the water temperature and the fuel level. Show you those. Hold on. These are just mocked up on the floor here until I get the roll cage in, and I'll be able to reposition them. That's the water temperature, and then the fuel levels down there. They change colors. They're a good gauge. I'll put a link in the description in case you want to order some of those. And there's also, I have a code for a 10% discount, so maybe you can use that. To show you what it looks like, it's hooked up. I hooked it to the MSD box and it works. I had a video and went to move it and it got deleted, so I'm not going to make another one. And those all work. The temperature gauge works, fuel level works, so everything's working. Once I get the roll cage installed, I'll be able to position all this stuff the way it's supposed to be. Alright.